Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of foldable smartphones with a focus on the highly anticipated iPhone Flip from Apple. For years, rumors about the iPhone Flip have kept us on the edge of our seats, but we're still waiting for concrete details on when this innovative device might hit the market. While Apple keeps us waiting, other brands like Samsung, Google, Motorola, and OnePlus have been pushing the boundaries with their foldable offerings. The competition for the best foldable phone is heating up. Speculations about the iPhone Flip's launch date range from 2024 to 2027, with varying opinions from industry experts like Ross Young, Ming-Chi Kuo, and Ben Wood. Apple's partnerships with LG and Samsung for flexible displays add to the intrigue. Reports suggest that the iPhone Flip could feature a massive 8-inch display, larger than many existing foldable phones. Design concepts range from book-style hybrids to clamshell designs, showcasing Apple's exploration of form factors. Exciting innovations like self-preservation features during drops, color e-ink displays, and dual-panel approaches have been teased through patents and leaks. The iPhone Flip's price remains a mystery, but it could range from premium to ultra-premium depending on its features and capabilities. Software optimizations for foldable displays, including improved multitasking, are expected. If the iPhone Flip doesn't arrive soon, Apple's competitors will continue to dominate the foldable phone market. However, Apple's history of game-changing innovations suggests that the iPhone Flip could redefine the industry. So are you excited about the iPhone Flip and the future of foldable phones? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to share, and subscribe for more updates on the iPhone Flip and other groundbreaking tech. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next episode. Until then, stay curious and stay innovative.